We all want to protect our castle. EZVIZ HomeSense helps you do that. HomeSense is an all-in-one smart home Wi-Fi security alarm system that helps you protect your loved ones and your property. The HomeSense kit includes movement sensors that allows you to secure doors, windows, and other spaces in your home. Combined with your EZVIZ smart home security cameras, HomeSense delivers an advanced home protection system of unmatched value that you can access anywhere. Simply scan the QR code on each HomeSense device to add it to your EZVIZ app. Then easily install the sensors on your doors, windows, cabinets, or anywhere else you want to secure. When you leave your home, simply switch the alarm on the included remote or using the EZVIZ app on your smartphone. If a window or door equipped with a HomeSense sensor is open, the siren will turn on and you will receive an alert notification on your smartphone. EZVIZ HomeSense, the easy way to protect your castle when you are away.